Today we are mounting the RAM disk from our system unit. So let's first remove the casing. We unscrew it from this side like we did last time. Then once you're done unscrewing, just a bit, you make sure you slide it slightly and pull it out. So this is our system unit. It has the power supply as we had seen the other day, and to access our RAM, which is located on the motherboard here, we have two of them. So first of all, you have to get a clear view of it, and you'll have to unplug this power supply to the motherboard, so we can safely remove the RAMs. So we have two of them. First we remove the first one, we slid the two buttons, we just pull them out, and now we are able to pull it out. So this is the first one. The other one, we repeat the same procedure. We pull this button on the sides and slid it out. So we have successfully removed them, and we have now two slots for the RAMs. So to take them back, we take the first one, and to return it, you have to make sure that this center part aligns with there's a something separating where you will slid it, make sure it aligns. There, so we can now block it from the side. So if we're done, we do the same thing to the other one, and here we are just trying to fit it in. Just to this space, there we go, and then we lock it from the side, so it's safely locked. Now we return the power supply that we had unplugged and return it safely back to its position. And then we have to return the casing that we had removed. We just slide it and screw it back. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.